Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf Launch, Edit 2.0 TDI with 115 horsepower. This sleek estate car boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission, and only 1200 kilometres on the clock. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, cruise control, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning, this car offers both style and peace of mind. With interior luxuries like cup holders and a load cover, as well as security features such as anti-collision system and multiple airbags, you'll feel safe and comfortable on every journey. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information.